I'm Tina, and today's quick tip is grouping your Chrome tabs. For this quick tip, we're going to be looking at keeping your Google tabs organized. One way to organize your Google tabs is by right-clicking on a tab in Chrome and then pinning it. That will collapse the tab to the side where you won't accidentally close it out. To unpin it, right-click and select Unpin. Another way to organize tabs is by creating a group. Right-click on a tab and then add it to a new group. You can name this group and then color code it. To add tabs to that group, you just need to drag them over until they're highlighted the tab group color. To further organize your groups, you can click on the group tab name and it will collapse all of those tabs. You can also right-click on the tab group name and you can ungroup all the tabs, close the group, or move the group to a new window. If you accidentally close tabs in your browser, you can use Command or Control Shift and the letter T, and it will bring back your most recent closed tabs. Hopefully this is a quick tip to keep your Google Chrome organized.